Guys, for today's video, siguro meron akong nakitang katulad na product ni RevyCredit. RevyCredit ni CIMB is revolving credit line. Parang credit card, pero siya, walang card, parang ganon. Na pwede kang umutang and i-convert yung loan na yon na maging term loan. Like, meron kang number of months payment dun sa kukunin mong amount. So, pwede siyang ganon, or pwede rin siyang parang credit card, pero walang annual fee. So, yun namang kinagandahan nun. Hindi kasi lahat ng financial institution ay ina-approve na mag-issue ng credit card. So, yun yung reason na nabuo ang revolving credit. So, ano ba tong product na sinasabi ko na halos kamukha ni RevyCredit? Ito ang Flexi Personal Loan with Prime Rebate ni PS Bank. So, samahan nyo ako pag-usapan natin yan. Sit back and let's discuss. Coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're new here to my channel, I do reviews about personal finance na meron akong experience. Ginawa ko na yun ng videos and playlists na makita nyo dito sa taas. At kung bago ka dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. Okay, so nabigyan ko na kayo ng overview kung ano ba to. And yun nga, nasabi ko na it is a revolving credit. So this is apart from a credit card. Yan. Ito is parang S-loan. Magandang example. Yung S-loan na pwede rin siyang maging revolving credit. Kasi once na nakabayad ka, may available kang natirang pera doon, pwede mo siyang utangin in installment ulit. Parang ganon. Ito naman, this is with PS Bank. PS Bank Flexi Personal Loan with Prime Rebate is the first and only collateral-free personal loan product with a revolving credit line and a fixed term loan. Revolving credit line is a type of credit without a fixed number of payments. The amount you borrow decreases or increases depending on how much you repaid. So, parang credit card, ang dating nga, dahil it's a revolving credit. And then, since meron din tong term loan, yung fund mo, pwede mong i-convert into fixed number of months na payment. Sabi dito, this account, or kapag meron kang account na to, they will provide you with an ATM card for easy disbursement ng inyong loan. Okay, ito yung mga product features ni Flexi Loan. So, loan amount, ang minimum na loan amount is 20,000 and a maximum of 250,000. So, ito naman yung mga loan payment options kapag nakautang ka na. So, kung ang ginawa mo is revolving credit, yung parang credit card, so normal. Pwede ang bayaran mo is yung total amount due ng loan. Kung magkano yung hiniram mo, yun lahat ang babayaran mo. Pangalawa, pwedeng yung minimum amount due. And pangatlo, any amount greater than minimum amount due. So, pwede yun. So, parang credit card nga lang. Kung fixed term loan naman yung ginawa mo, you're going to pay on a fixed amount on a certain period. And then, ang applicable payment terms or loan terms mo, if fixed term yan, 24 to 36 months to pay. Okay, interest rate. So, dito ma-distinguish sa credit card at itong Flexi Loan. Bakit? Kasi sa term loan, ang interest rate lang nito ay 1.75% monthly. So kung 1.75% monthly yan and then kukunin mo siya ng 24 months, 1.75 times 24 divided by 2, yung APR natin with Flexi Loan, kung term loan yan, is 21% per annum. Kung total term mo is 24 months, so idodoble lang natin, nasa 42% sa kabuuan ng term loan mo. Pero at a 21% per annum, kung i-compare na natin yan sa na-discuss na nating mga personal loan and credit card, at 21%, halos kapantay siya ni East West Personal Loan. So magkatabi sila. Naunahan ni PS Bank Flexi Loan si East West kasi si East West ay nasa 21.47%. Kung titingnan naman natin yung revolving line niya, like yung parang RevyCredit line niya, it's 2.5% monthly. And then kung titingnan natin ang interest niya per annum, so 2.5%, i-multiply lang naman din natin yan. 2.5% times 12, lalabas na around 30% per annum yung interest rate. So, kung babalik tayo sa comparison, kung ang revolving credit line ang gagamitin nyo with PS Bank Flexi Loan, katumbas na katumbas siya ng interest rate ni RevyCredit at 30%. So, basically, wala naman din ganun siyang pinagkaiba masyado sa credit card o kaya kay RevyCredit or any other personal loan. Halos parehas lang naman din ang features eh. Siguro nagkatalo na lang sa personal loan na mas mababa at 21%. Pero kung maghahanap kayo ng personal loan, marami namang iba na mas mababa. And going back to our list, si HSBC ang nag-offer ng isa sa pinakamababang personal loan. Pero kung na-try nyo na lahat, subukan nyo rin kayo, PS Bank, baka naman ma-approvean kayo ng flexi loan. At least, revolving na yun. Pag nabayaran nyo, may available na funds, pwede nyo utangin din kagad. So, hindi siya one-time na personal loan katulad nung pag nag-a-apply kayo sa mga banks na personal loan. Kasi yun, mga one-time application yun eh. Pag natapos mo, magta-try ka ulit mag-apply, mag-renew, ayun. Ito, hindi mo na kailangan. Pag may available funds ka, gamitin mo, and that's panibagong set of loan. Parang ganon. Minimum qualifications ng borrower. Kailangan Filipino and residing in the Philippines. Ang age ng borrower ay nasa range ng 22 years old hanggang 54 years old. If employed, kailangan 2 years ka na and 1 year na regular status or permanent status ka na. If you are engaged in business, kailangan yung business mo daw is operating profitably within the past 3 years. And yung gross monthly income mo ay at least 50,000 for employees, and 30,000 for self-employed. Kailangan din meron kang residential landline or mobile number. Kung isa kang credit card holder, mas mataas ang chance of approval mo with FlexiLoan. So, paano ba kayo mag-apply? You can head over to psbank.com.ph. Ito na lang din yung link sa description box. For you to apply ito, just click apply now dito and then redirect na kayo sa application page. Hindi na natin di-discuss to further kasi kakailanganin na mag-upload ako ng documents requirement dito. So, hindi ko rin mapagpapatuloy yung application. Pero, papakita ko sa inyo na dito kayo mag-a-apply. You just need to fill out the information and then i-attach yung mga requirements. Or kung medyo naguguluhan kayo sa application with FlexiLoan ni PS Bank, might as well drop by any PS Bank branches and doon na lang kayo mag-apply. At mas matutulungan pa kayo ng mga bank personnel. Meron dito silang loan calculator which is pwede nating tingnan. So, ito yung mamimili ka kung revolving credit yung gagamitin mo doon sa flexi loan card mo o in installment. So, try natin yung fixed monthly installment. So, ito yung term loan. So, for example, 24 months na term loan at 100,000. So, basically, nasa around 5,916.40 ang monthly amortization mo ng 100,000. So, kung kakalculatin natin yan, 5,916.40 times 24 months, it would give us around 141,993 as the total repayment for 100,000. I-minus natin yung 100,000 na principal, makuha natin yung total interest na babayaran natin is 41,993 divided by 100,000 na principal, 41.99% ang interest rate divided by 2 kasi 2 years siya. So, technically, 20.99% or 21% na interest rate. So, tama yung kanina na pinakita na 21% per annum or 42% as sa 24 months. So, check naman natin kung ang gagamitin natin ay revolving credit. So, pay at least the minimum required amount due. Kunyari, ang kunin natin, ang ilalabas natin dun sa FlexiLoan ATM natin is 100,000. Compute mo yan. So, sa 100,000, if you pay at least the minimum, hindi natin sasabi kung magkano yung minimum right now. Meron sariling calculation ng minimum yan. Pero kung puro minimum ang babayaran mo lang sa 100,000 na loan, yung first month mo ang pinakamataas, which is 5,125. And then pababa ng pababa yung bayarin mo. Pero hindi siya within 12 months mababayaran mo na kagad. Eto, kung mapapansin nyo na sa loob ng 12 months, nasa around 25,000 pa lang yung nabawas dito sa loan mo. Versus yan, kung term loan yan, di ba, pag kung 12 months, nakakalahati ka na. Parang lalabas dito around 3 to 4 years mong babayaran yung 100,000 kung minimum amount due lang ang babayaran mo, which is sobrang taas nito. Kasi katulad sa mga credit card, kung gusto mong i-pay off yung card mo, don't just pay the minimum. Make sure to pay mas malaki above the minimum lagi yung babayaran mo. What are my thoughts and opinion about this flexi loan ni PS Bank? Well, mababa ang interest niya kung mababa in terms of personal loan. Pwede mo siyang gawing revolving credit, pwede mo siyang gawing term loan na katulad ni Revi Credit. Siguro ang advantage na lang ni PS Bank is a sister company ni Metro Bank, which is kilala naman natin si Metro Bank and malaki si Metro Bank. In terms of management siguro, hindi ko alam eh. Kasi halos pares lang talaga sila ni Revi Credit. So kung head to head, kung papapiliin ako sa dalawa, parang Revi Credit pa rin. Kasi wala akong masyadong requirements na sinubmit kay Revi Credit. Hindi katulad dito na ang dami ko pang kailangang i-provide na information. Kung gusto nyo mag-apply, I highly suggest na punta na lang kayo sa branch para ma-assist kayo ng mga bank personnel. For our question of the day, lalo na sa mga may loan or mga credit card na nag-o-offer ng minimum amount due. Sa tingin nyo ba, merong advantage ang pagbabayad ng minimum amount due o lalo lang lumalaki ang utang nyo kung ganun lang ang binabayaran nyo? Let me know sa comment section sa baba at may chance kayo manalo ng 1,000 pesos sa ating weekly GCash giveaway. And syempre, huwag niyong kalimutan maglagay ng hashtag road to 100k sub and mag-like and subscribe dito sa aking channel para sa chance niyong manalo na cellphone sa ating monthly cellphone giveaway until we reach the 100k subscriber milestone. Yun lamang po for today's video, but before we end this video, mag-shoutout po muna tayo at shoutout sa mga early fam natin. So, ang early fam natin is sila yung laging nakasubaybay every time na re-release yung mga videos. So, shoutout kay at Louis Paalden 3606. Shoutout kay at Alexander Melindo 5854. Shoutout kay at Hail Hydra 3076. Shoutout kay Rochelle Rosas 3129. Kay Sir RG Franca. Shoutout kay at Nika Apostol. And lastly, shoutout kay at Raylin Sinfuego Gonzalez. Maraming salamat po sa panonood at pagsuporta. Kayong mga early fam, kayo talaga yung nandyan lagi once na nag-release ako ng mga videos. Thank you sa suporta na binibigay nyo sa akin. Maraming salamat po. I hope you like this video. Leave a thumbs up. And if not, wala nang problema dyan, but continue to support me by subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button sa tabing subscribe para makareceive kayo ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!